All right, how's everybody doing today? Today I got my son with me. This is Cabin Cowboy Jr., OC Jr., and we're going to be showing you, he's just going to walk around and we're just going to, show you guys the one we call the beautiful Carrot Top cabin. As you can see on the front here, he's standing on the porch, which is a 6-foot by 28-foot front porch. Beautiful. Very large porch for the size of the cabin. The cabin itself is a 14 by 28, but the porch, as you can see here, is a 6-foot by 28-foot front porch. So when you go inside the cabin over here, the first thing you see are these beautiful Amish built, Amish crafted kitchen countertops and kitchen cabinets. You can actually see how shiny they are. Right on top, how smooth and shiny they are. Really, really nice product. And as you can see, you see all the dots on them. You know what that is. That's that knotty pine, y'all. See all the beautiful knotty pine floors? We got knotty pine everywhere, guys. So if you're looking for a rustic cabin, then this is the one. Again, the dimensions of this is a 14 by 28 livable space, which is just shy of
400 square foot.
That's right, just shy of 400 square foot, 392 square feet. Over here, you got a little barn door, and that's for where your bathroom's gonna go. Straight ahead, you can put a walk-in shower, you can put your sink and then your toilet over here. Over here in this corner, you got a spot for a little closet area. And then if you see over here, on top of that, we have a lofted area for extra storage. Okay, so again, where you see OC standing, we can also put a wall over here to where we can privatize this bedroom. This is a full-size bed. So if you want us to wall up the bedroom and privatize that, we can do that as well. Okay, so again, just a super cool cabin. This one has been very popular for people doing Airbnb, or they want to put a backyard bungalow or cottage in the back, or you just want a cabin in the woods just to get away for a hunting cabin. This one has been very, very popular. Again, this is the one we call the Carrot Top cabin. It is only $45,000 if you buy it just like it is, or if you buy it turnkey, it's $60,000 if you buy it turnkey. Thank you, OC. So again, guys, if you like what you see, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow button. We're gonna now go outside, and OC and I are gonna go ahead and show you, we'll do a walk around one last time and show you the outside of the cabin. I like that cowboy hat. All right, so again, let me get you one good shot of the outside, and then we're gonna go ahead and stand in front of it, so they can see a reference of it, the size of it. So that's what it looks like here on the outside. All right, guys, how's everybody doing today? We're gonna start on the inside of this one that we call the Farmhouse Barrington. So this is the Barrington Park model. I have filmed this one before on my lot, but the one I got on my lot is more of the rustic one that's got the tongue and groove pine on the inside. This one here has the birch wood walls painted white. So this one's more of a farmhouse, more contemporary versus rustic. I love it though, because you still got your tongue and groove pine dark ceilings, you got your dark floors, but again, with the white walls, it just opens up the whole area, and as you can see, makes it very livable. You got a full-size couch over there, living room. Come on to the back, you got your kitchen area, you got your full-size stove, microwave, refrigerator, stackable washer and dryer. Got more storage over here. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. Isn't that pretty? You walk in the front door, you got your living room over that way. There's your Bosch Mini split. Beautiful park model RV. Nice size porch on the front. Okay. Of course, we can screen that in as well. This one is set up where you got your loft upstairs there for the guests or the kiddos. And then of course downstairs through that room is your master bedroom, which we'll show you that here in a second. You got your, look at this, beautiful full bathroom here with your slow close cabinets, medicine cabinet, okay. Get your light switches. And over here, you got your walk-in shower, your commode. Again, remember guys, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down in that bathroom and in that shower, no problem. Look at all that extra kitchen cabinet space. Again, you got one of these smaller refrigerators, but you could definitely get a bigger one in there. As you can see, more cabinet space. You got your Whirlpool stackable, washer on the bottom, dryer on top. There's your electrical panel there. And instead of having a ladder to get up to the loft, you've got some real steps. So you take your steps, go on up, and here you go. You could easily put a king-size bed up here, a couple of full-size beds, or probably 4 twins will fit up here. So it's very spacious. Put the guests, put the grandkids up here where they can crawl on up, have some fun, go to bed up here. And then downstairs, you've got the downstairs area here where, again, look at this. All kinds of closet space here. And that's something you usually don't see. We usually don't put the closets in these till the customers order them. But this particular customer, this is how they ordered it. So they got all their beautiful cabinets over here. Let me show you what that looks like. And of course, you got a nice queen size bed here. You can kind of see your mini split out there, your Bosch. And you got the other head in here, again with the lovely tongue and groove knotty pine ceiling, stained dark. And look at that, his and her closets. Big old window here, all kinds of natural light coming in. It's just lovely in here, guys. And behind that door is a closet and your water heater. If I recall, I'll show you that here in a little bit. Let me open up these closets and show you what these look like. Again, there goes my phone. It's non-stop activity. You got these here with slow close closets there. And I love that you got that built-in desk in between the two, his and her closets. I think that's really cool concept. And there's your remote control there for your mini split up there. And let's open this up here. And just like I said, you got a 20-gallon water heater there. There's your blue and red PEX. And remember too, guys, if you want to do tankless, that ain't no thing but a chicken wing. If you want to do tankless water heaters instead of a full-blown 20-gallon regular water heater, just let us know and we can go tankless, okay? So keep that in mind. That's also an option. Again, this is the one we call the Barrington, but this is the farmhouse edition instead of the rustic edition. The rustic edition, like I said, that's the one that's got the tongue and groove walls, pine walls. This one's got all the birch plywood. Again, this ain't sheetrock, guys. Listen, these walls are solid wood, painted white. That way they don't crack during shipment when you're moving them around from point A to point B. So keep that in mind. Keep it moving here. We got, someone's in here. They opened up the door. I wouldn't be surprised if that's my son up in the loft. How did I know that? Got Mowgli up there up in the loft. How you doing up there, buddy? Having fun? So I knew I heard him in here. So my son up in the loft, like I said, the kids just absolutely love that loft. Crawling up there, having fun with it. Again, this is the downstairs bathroom, and all your appliances are included. This is a full-size 4-burner stove and oven, General Electric, hot point, and then you got your high-air refrigerator. Again, just a really well laid out RV park model. My son hanging up top, he got to sneak in those videos. Cabin Cowboy Jr. over there. How do you like it up there, O?
Beautiful, beautiful, I love it.
You love it up there? All right, I love to hear it. So again, just set it up how y'all want to do it, so it's nice and comfortable for you. And this is the one we call the Bington Farmhouse Edition. Let me take you guys outside and show you what the outside looks like.
I did talk to OC earlier.
And here's what this one looks like. We got Nadia on the phone there with a customer. This is what the outside of it looks like over here. Let me get it from this angle real fast so you can see it. I love that front porch on it, and again, you see you got that knotty pine on the top of the porch there. And remember, we can screen this in if you want to. And on the outside here, we got this vinyl white siding. You could pick from 20 different colors, or you can upgrade to the board and batten metal siding or the ribbed metal like you see on these other ones over here. Just let us know how you want to do it. We can make it happen. Okay, so again, this is the one we call the Bington, but this is the Farmhouse Edition, which again is more contemporary versus rustic. One of the things I like to talk about as well is we have these obviously built as RVIA certified park models on a 4-axle trailer system. But keep in mind, if you just want this built on skids, we can do that as well, to where you could put them on a foundation. So that is also an option. If you want us to go that route, instead of building it on a trailer, we can also build it on skids. Okay, so again, if you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, you know I like to hear from my people. I'm a Gen Xer 1979 model. So go ahead and comment Gen X or baby boomer below, or the year you was born. That way I know I got my people watching me, not just the young bucks. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, to like, share, and follow. It keeps me motivated when you guys comment, like, share, and follow. Keeps me motivated to come out here and keep making these videos for y'all, because it's a lot of work to make them. So I appreciate you commenting. I try to read all them comments, liking, sharing, and subscribing so you don't miss my future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is OC with AmishBuiltCabins.com. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow, and you can reach us at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Or click the link in the bio. AmishBuiltCabins.com is the website. Blessings to you and yours. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy, check it out. Come back and see us now. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it is stunning. Look at them beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at these steps. It goes up to the loft. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cabin plus the loft, making it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can also upgrade and add a bathroom in the loft area to make it a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Beautiful structure, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. I love this 20-foot high ceiling. It just makes the whole place feel massive, you know. I'm a tall fella, so I love a high ceiling. I'm 6'6". So if you like what you see, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Ask for OC. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and please comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, because I think it is gorgeous, but I'd love to get some feedback from you guys, because my opinion don't matter. You guys' does. So let me know something, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful. 812-595-4033. That's my number, 595-4033. Y'all be blessed.